Yo, what's up? Okay, so we got a newer bicolor LED video light that came in, and we have the small red octagonal softbox. This is for lighting, so we can actually do videos like this, and I can actually show you what it's going to look like with this on. So what we're going to do right now is unpack this, put it together, and we'll show you how it works. I have no knife. Okay, so this softbox comes with a carrying bag. This is secondary, so I'll just put this right here for now. And then we'll go for the Kunika, or I think I said that wrong. The main, nicely packaged. Another carrying case. With all this camera equipment, you're gonna need a wagon to like haul all of this, but this is gonna be one of those things that stays here. Jill. So for professional videos, which that's what we're trying to aim for, always want lighting. We got the instructions, we don't need that. This looks like a battery charger, if I'm not mistaken, or I don't think this is a battery charger. I think this is inputting battery in onto the lighting setup, which I do have batteries for that, but we're gonna need some extra ones. Unfortunately, this doesn't come with a tripod. I'm gonna use one of my tripods to just show you guys how this works. You got the wiring, more wiring, the cord pack. This is probably to put the softbox on there. And then you have the, honestly, I don't know what this is called, so we're just gonna go back. We'll come to that later. And then the main lighting source. Careful with that. Throw all the unnecessary stuff out there. So this is the MS60B Neewer, basically for either photography or cinematography. Has a DC 20 volt that can go into it, so basically you're going to plug it into the wall, or you're going to use it with the batteries that is sold separately, like everything else. And let's try to put this together, I guess. Okay, so let's see what this is. Okay, so this thing has screws here. Make sure. Still doesn't make sense. Oh, okay, that's right. There. That screws on. Screws on also. And then this screws on. Okay, cool. So that's set up right there. Okay, let's go get the tripod. Okay, this tripod is actually from my LED setup, so we're gonna go ahead and just use this. It's not super robust, but if you handle this correctly, you won't break it. I've broken so many like tripods in, I don't know, over 12 years of doing this. Put this on there. platform right here goes to the main thingy right here. We're going to go ahead and just plug this in. I'm gonna have to like move y'all somewhere else because there's not a plug in behind me or like beside me or whatever. So yeah, we'll work with what we have. Put this in the DC-20. Oh. Plug is basically, you know, like not universal, but it's like if you already own lighting and stuff, it's pretty much all the same except for the timing and stuff like that. So it's no really big deal. This is just an unboxing. I'm not really teaching you how to use this. I don't think anybody would be interested in that. Plug next to my computer. That. Power. Kind of see, don't stare into it. Oh. It's super bright, right? Okay. So we're gonna raise this. Here we're at 54,000. 5400K for the setting. And now we're at 65. So pure white. Basically, if you're doing like a, oh man, that's bright. Okay, never mind. Don't stare into it. I'm gonna reduce that power. Still bright. Like there. And we're going to see with the small lid. Okay. I don't know what's in here. Wow. It's attached to it. Everything in the back. Here's a softbox. This is also in Velcro. Cool. So this. Easy. Okay, so it has a quick release for the attachment. So if you need to like do different stuff or whatever, you can change it. There. Shut it off. Is that shit pretty bright? Yeah. There. Turn it off for now, so I don't get mine. I don't get mine. Alright, get mine. Okay. I'm gonna set you guys somewhere else so you guys can kind of see. It's a robust setup. So make sure you have like sandbags or something to lay it down. So these Velcro actually will go to this also. Right. A bit more interesting to show you. I know this is supposed to be somewhat tight. I'm literally just running and gunning this. But okay, so inside set up like that, easy. I didn't really do it any like beautiful way or whatever, but that blocks up the light a lot. And then you have the Velcro up here. And you want to match that with how the octagonal shape is. Like I said, I'm not going to do this as pretty as possible. It's really fast setup. Okay, cool. And voila. So when you turn on the light, it should be like this. I'm going to go max. That's at max. So I'm gonna move you guys again. And this should be it. I don't know how it looks because I'm not looking into the camera or whatever, but the light is pointing at me. It's only one side. Technically it should be overhead, give more a dramatic look. But what you can do is do this. You can have a light that's pointing behind your head, so it creates this rim and everything, and you can kind of get that cinematic lighting look. So it can look professional. So yeah, this is the setup, and that's pretty much the unboxing. And yeah, so if you're trying to pick up a lighting setup, I would suggest picking one of these up. Lighting is important, sound is important, but yeah, it's up to you.